I'm Mel and welcome to my kitchen. So I used to weigh 220 pounds and I've lost all this weight, and I want to give you all the tips and tricks so you can also have success on your keto diet. Of course, if you're returning, welcome back. But if you're new here, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when I've posted a new recipe. It'll really help my channel and it'll only take you a second. You can also follow me on Instagram where we post some fun behind the scenes pics and posts. So today we are doing all things keto donuts. I've been for the entire week trying donut recipes and I've had to come up with my own. So for you, I've come up with a great recipe that isn't eggy, that doesn't taste like cardboard, and doesn't have yuckiness attached to it.
Hey, that's abuse. I can't work under these conditions.
While these keto donuts hold their shape, they are beautiful donuts and they're a little bit soft and cakey in the middle. We also show you how to make mini donuts in a donut maker and mini donuts in the oven, and of course the large donuts. We've got a beautiful icing recipe for you as well, where it starts out in liquid form but solidifies really quickly and you won't have to refrigerate your donuts. And of course, we have got all these decorating tips for you where you can have beautiful and pretty looking donuts. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe now. We're going to first sift the dry ingredients together. So to a bowl, add 32 grams or 4 tablespoons of coconut flour, then 62 grams or 4 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, 8 grams or 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and now we're going to sift that together. Give it a quick whisk until your dry ingredients are fully combined. Next, we're going to add the wet ingredients, and I've got here 68 grams of melted butter and then it's been cooled a bit, 1 egg at room temperature, and a tablespoon of vanilla. We are now going to whisk this until it's fully combined, and you can use your machine or hand mixer, or you can even do it by hand. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and you'll find that some of your dry mixture has stuck to the bottom, and you're just going to work it loose. We want the batter to be as smooth as possible without any lumps. Give it a final whisk on high. If you wish to make chocolate donuts, this is what your color and consistency will look like. And we're literally adding just cocoa powder. It's so great. You're going to grease and line your baking tray, and I used unsalted butter because it is quite dense. And when you fill your batter, you're going to need about 3 tablespoons worth, and fill it maybe up to 3/4 way just to give it a chance to rise out of the pan. Okay, so let's talk about cooking times and temperatures. You're going to set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and bake your big donuts for 12 minutes. For your minis, you're going to bake them for 6 minutes. I love the color and how it came out. To make this in a mini donut maker, I have greased both plates and added just over a teaspoon of the batter for each donut. You're going to need to let them go for 4 minutes from the time you switch your machine on. These have just come out of the oven. They need to cool completely, and then we get to decorating. And here are these cute little mini donuts. They're gorgeous. We are going to let them cool now before you turn them out. I'm going to prepare my chocolate for decorating. So to a bowl, I'm adding 90 grams of Lindt dark chocolate, but you can use chocolate chips as well, and 20 grams of cut up butter. Next, we're going to microwave our chocolate and butter at 20-second intervals, stirring at each interval. From this picture, you guys can see that I have had lots and lots of fun. So these are the vanilla donuts we just made. For this one, I replaced the vanilla extract with a bit of strawberry and pink essence. I'm not sure if you can spot the pink there. And then of course these were done in the mini donut machine. And these are chocolate. To decorate, you would just dip your donut into your sauce and then swirl it around like that, and maybe go halfway down into the donut, shake off the excess and place it on a cooling rack. You're going to need a little bit more delicacy with your mini donuts. So same thing, and you'll probably get your fingers a little bit messy. We swirl it around a bit, shake off the excess. Look at that, oh my God. And place it on a cooling rack. And now I'm just adding some white chocolate. And I've prepared it the same way. I just found the consistency of my white chocolate a little bit different, so I added a bit of coconut oil. You can add a bit of crushed nuts, and I'm just doing pecans. And if you love coconut, why not some shredded coconut? Looks so pretty. I'm just dipping the strawberry flavored one in full white chocolate, just so that I know the flavor I'm going to have when I have the full white chocolate. Bit of strawberry is always good. When you mix your icing with butter, it will allow your icing to solidify, and you don't need to put it in the fridge. It comes out really beautiful. Well, there you go. You can have a beautiful keto donut on your diet. No more yucky donuts anymore. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.